In standard Odoo 19, Community and Enterprise, subcontracting only works if you outsource an entire finished product. But in real-world manufacturing, what happens when you build a product in-house and only need to outsource one intermediate operation, such as chrome plating, heat treatment, or powder coating? Standard Odoo forces you to create dummy products and nested bills of materials. I am Vinay Rana, founder of VPCS, and in this masterclass, we are breaking down our complete subcontracting suite for Odoo 17, 18, and 19, enabling native work order subcontracting, job work without BoMs, and automated raw material return tracking. Let us first examine the standard baseline in Odoo 19 as documented in official Odoo knowledge guides. In standard Odoo, you create a bill of materials with the BoM type set to subcontracting, assign one or more subcontractor vendors, and specify the required raw material components. When you issue a purchase order for the finished product, Odoo generates a subcontractor resupply transfer to ship raw materials to the vendor location. While this functions well for complete product turnkeys, it completely breaks down when operations are split between in-house work centers and outside processing vendors. Why do enterprise manufacturers struggle with standard Odoo subcontracting? There are four major functional gaps. First, no intermediate operation level subcontracting. You cannot outsource step 2 while keeping step 1 and step 3 in-house. Second, mandatory predefined BoMs. Standard Odoo strictly crashes or blocks execution if an ad hoc subcontracted job does not have a master BoM. Third, zero raw material balance tracking. Standard Odoo assumes 100% of raw materials are consumed with no automated return transfer for leftover sheets or scrap. And fourth, lack of dynamic variant attribute configuration on subcontracted components. The VPCS Subcontracting Suite provides a modular, production-hardened framework across Odoo 17, 18, and 19. Instead of forcing product-level hacks, our architecture injects subcontracting directly into the manufacturing routing operations, work orders, and inventory stock moves. It integrates automatically with Odoo purchase, stock, and manufacturing accounting, giving you full delivery challenge, subcontractor purchase orders, work-in-progress valuation, and material reconciliation. Our flagship module, Subcontracting in Work Orders, allows you to mark specific routing steps on your bill of materials as subcontracted. When you confirm an in-house manufacturing order, Odoo generates the work order hierarchy. Upon starting the subcontracted operation, the system automatically drafts a subcontractor purchase order, reserves the semi-finished components, and generates a delivery challenge to transfer the parts to the outside processing vendor. The manufacturing order stays in progress, accurately reflecting that job WIP is with the subcontractor. Once the outside vendor completes the plating, coating, or machining service, your warehouse team validates the incoming receipt. Odoo automatically marks the subcontracted work order as complete, absorbs the vendor service cost into the manufacturing unit cost, and immediately releases the next sequential in-house operation, such as final assembly or quality inspection, without requiring duplicate data entry. For custom fabrication, tooling, and rapid prototyping, drafting master BoMs in advance is impractical. Our module, Subcontracting Work Order Without BoM, empowers production supervisors to dispatch work orders directly to external vendors on the fly. You can select ad hoc components, define supplier rates dynamically, and issue job work delivery challenge without touching master data. In contract manufacturing, tracking raw material yields is vital. When you send raw steel sheets or bulk coils, subcontractors rarely consume exact quantities. Our return raw material module compares dispatched raw materials against finished goods received. The system automatically computes material variance and generates an automated inward return transfer for unconsumed raw materials, offcuts, and process scrap. When finished products carry complex variant attributes, such as custom dimensions or finishes, standard Odoo requires dozens of individual subcontract BoMs. Our product configurator subcontracting module dynamically resolves component variant matrices on the fly, passing exact attribute specifications directly to the subcontractor purchase line and inventory picking slips. The entire VPCS Subcontracting Suite is fully tested and maintained natively across Odoo 17.0, 18.0, and 19.0. In Odoo 19, we utilize the new list view conventions, direct view attributes, and optimized ORM performance. Whether you are running an existing Odoo 17 enterprise instance or migrating to Odoo 19, you receive identical enterprise-grade capabilities with zero migration friction. Unlike standard Odoo Enterprise SaaS subscriptions that lock you into recurring annual user fees, all VPCS modules are provided under our open code ownership model. When you purchase from our App Store, you receive 100% clean, unencrypted Python and XML source code. You have full freedom to customize, extend, and deploy on your private on-premise or cloud servers with zero recurring licensing fees. All 5 subcontracting modules are available today on the VPCS Cloud App Store, starting at just $29 to $49. Check the official store link in the description below to download the modules instantly. If your enterprise requires custom manufacturing workflows, multi-company ERP deployment, or complete Odoo implementation support, contact VPCS directly via WhatsApp or email. Thank you for watching, and make sure to subscribe for more advanced Odoo Enterprise Masterclasses.